Welcome to this CalRTA mini tutorial on how to use the free snipping tool on your PC. Now, the snipping tool is an easy way to capture both images and text on your computer. Now, to locate the snipping tool on your computer, all you have to do is go down here to the bottom left corner where you see your search bar, and when you click on it, you just simply type Snipping Tool, and it will pull up right here on your computer. Now, I strongly suggest that you pin this to your taskbar, which is at the bottom of your computer, and that way you have easy access to the snipping tool anytime you need it. So I'm going to add it to my taskbar by clicking. And as you can see, it appears right down here in the lower part of my screen. Now I can get out of this and we'll move on to the next step. Let's say I want to take a snip of an image on my Division 33 website. Well, once I'm on my website, as you can see here, all I have to do is go down to my taskbar again and locate that snipping tool, and I simply click on it. Now, as you can see, a window opens up. Now, this might be blocking an image that I want to copy, so I can move this by simply placing my cursor right at the top, holding down the left side of my mouse, and then I can move it to a convenient spot out of the way on my screen. Now I'm ready to make my snip. Now I think I want to take a snip of this image here up at the top, and I want to use that in a newsletter. So I click the down arrow where it says Mode on the Snipping Tool menu, and I click Rectangular Snip. Once I do that, you can see that the screen turns kind of a milky gray color, and a plus sign will appear. This is going to guide the snip as you create it. So I'm going to place it in the upper left-hand corner of the area that I want to snip. I'm going to snip that banner. So I'm going to hold down the left side of my mouse, and I'm going to drag that plus sign, which serves as a cursor, until I've captured the portion of the banner that I want to use. Then I simply let go. As you can see, it's been captured right here in the middle, and now I can simply go up here to File, Save As, and now I need to give it a name. I think I'll just label this a banner snip, and I am going to save it to my desktop so I can find it easily. So I need to make sure that I am on my desktop here, and then I'm going to save. Now I can X out of this particular snip, so I'm ready to snip something else later if I need to. So now let's see if I have that snip here on my desktop, and here it is. So when I open this up, it is a JPEG. As you can see, it's a JPEG. So this is an image. This is an image. I can copy and paste this image any way I like. If I would like to open up a Word document, I can open a blank document, and I can actually just drag that over there and drop it in. I can make it bigger. I can size it if I need to. And there it is. So let me just minimize that. And let's go back to my Division 33 website. Now, I captured this image up here at the top. Now I want to capture some text. So I'm going to follow the same procedure that I did before. I'm going to go down here to the bottom where my snipping tool is, and I'm going to click on it. Now remember, I can move this anywhere I want to simply by holding down my mouse or my cursor and moving it. I'm okay with it here. So I'm going to click on Mode, go to Rectangular Snip. The screen gets kind of blurry or gray or milky white, and I'm going to select my text. So I have my text here. I'm going to click File, Save As. Once again, I'm going to label this one Text Snip. I want to save it to my desktop on my PC, so I click Save. Now I can X out of this box once again to be ready for my next snip. Let's minimize this screen and see if that text snip is there, and it's right here. Now remember, it too is a JPEG. This is an image. It is no longer text. It's an image that I have captured. I can go down to my Word document if I would like to. And if I want to, I can simply drag this over and I can drop it right below the other one if I want. Okay, so now I've got my two snips back to back on a Word document. I can go into the internet and capture any other images or any text from any other document that I want. Now, I haven't forgotten about you Mac users. So let me take you to an instruction on how to do this with Mac. Now, Macs have their own version of the snipping tool. It's just a matter of using your keyboard. Now, if you want to capture a full screen, a full computer screen on your Mac, then you're going to use the Command Shift 3 on your keyboard. Command Shift 3, and that will take a snip of your entire computer screen. Now, if you only want to select area, then you're going to use your Command Shift 4 keys, and then you'll be able to designate the specific area that you would like to snip. And that's all there is to it. So try it out. I think you'll be amazed at how easy and fast it is to capture any text or image that you need.